my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Pretty Tunchi. And today, first of all, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please, it's free, it's totally free. Just go down, you see one red button, just click subscribe. Automatically you subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to do that. And if this is your first time stopping by, you're also definitely welcome, my love. Welcome, let's have fun. Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how I slay these beautiful brows of mine. They're always on flick and shit. So I decided to share with you guys because I'm here for you. Anyways, yeah, let's get right into the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop your beautiful comments. If you want to see any other thing on my channel, just let me know. Drop your comments in the comments section below and I got you, girl, for real. So first of all, I'm gonna start by brushing up my brows with this spray. We're using this brow pencil by MAC. Can't see that. I'm gonna start by drawing the bottom part of my brow. You want to make sure you follow the line, Yeah, that's it guys. Then I'm gonna move to the top part of my brow, but I'm not gonna be starting from where my brow begins. If you understand what I mean. I'm just gonna start from somewhere here and make an arc at the edge. See that? Just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. The reason why I didn't start the top part of my brow from this place, from the beginning, is just because I don't want it to look fake. Do the exact same thing for this other part of the brow. And I'll just go ahead and fill it in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this elegant concealer in the shade Cool Town for the bottom, to clean up the bottom part of my brow.
Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me. So baby, come light me up, and baby I'll let you on it. I'ma crack that whip, everybody gon' trip just like a circus. All I know, all of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manner. So practice makes perfect. I'm still trying to learn it by heart.
And guys, keep in mind that the brows are not twins. They're not. They don't have to be exactly the same, okay? So it's okay if you think this one is not just looking like the other one. You're good to go. But please don't make this one like this and then you make this one straight. Just make them look, it doesn't have to be perfect. Get me? Once I'm done with cleaning up my brow with the concealer, I just go ahead and use this brush to clean it more even better. I started makeup. Brows used to be it used to be the hardest thing, but I just figured, man, baby girl, it's the way you want it, so whatever goes, okay? But as you practice, as you keep doing makeup and just keep practicing how to draw your brows, you get better. So moving on, I'm gonna be using the shade Toffee for the top part of my brow because I don't want the top part of my brow to be, to be looking really bright and it doesn't work like that. So I'm just gonna be using this Toffee because it's a little bit darker than the Cool Town. and I'm just gonna be using just a little for the top part of my brow, because if I use too much concealer, it's gonna be a lot of cleaning and I might just end up messing up the whole brow. So just a little clean up the top part of my brow. And again, I'm just gonna start from, well, not the beginning.
Good on the low for a faded first. On some faded love. I want it all or nothing. No more in between now. Give everything to me. Let's get real, baby.
After we're back together, after everything that we've been through.
You know, the lemon, I'm gonna use this brush to just clean it up and make it stand out even better. There you go, love. You see the difference? Concealer makes a lot of difference, my dear. It does.
Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me. So baby, come light me up. And baby, I'll let you on it. Gonna crack that whip. Everybody gon' trip just like a circus.
And as you can see, they're not exactly the same, but they're perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and use this pulley to fill the brow in again, because we are not done yet. And for me, I prefer using the black brow pencil because I'm dark and I really want my eyebrow to really stand out. But whatever, you can use a brow pencil, you can use a dark pencil. It's just what you feel works for you. Moving on, because I'm so extra when it comes to my brow, I'm gonna be using this Makeup for Life Professional Brow Gel. I'm gonna put the link down below. I got this from Taba, and bruh, this is life-saving. It makes my brow really pop, and it makes it look very natural. So this is my go-to brow gel, and I've been using it for years. I mean, years. I've been using it for like 4 years, and the quantity didn't even reduce. So my dear, get this. I'm gonna fill it up with this pulley. I don't know if you can really see the difference, but sure makes a lot of difference. Hi guys, this is how I draw my brow. This is my procedures. This is how it comes out looking perfectly. Oh yes, Hunter, yes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was really helpful. I hope you learned 1 or 2 tips from this. But yeah, keep in mind that you have to keep coming to, you know, get more tips from me. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, like, drop your comments, and I got you for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next video. Adios.